This is the Honor X7c. It has a 5-star drop resistance premium certification and an all-angle water-resistant IP64. Now, to test both of these features, since they are very important, we're gonna drop this first at 3 levels. So we're gonna be testing this outside and still be alive for my review. We have level 1 all the way up to level 3. Let's see how high can it survive. So we're gonna try the level 1. So level 1 is pretty easy. Wait, let's take the keys off and let's see level 1. Okay, so let's drop it. Still working. We're gonna try level 2. My level 2 is much higher, so hopefully it will not break. This is level 2 drop test, and here we go. And it did not survive. This is level 2. And we're back from the drop test. Alright, there's a great news and there's a bit of bad news here. So which one would you prefer to hear first? I'm guessing that it's the bad news first. Okay, so let's start with the bad news. Okay, the bad news is that the screen has really been damaged by the level 2 drop test. So you can see here that this screen can almost make you see the internals of the phone, and around the frame it's also been damaged. Here there's also minimal damage, but the camera is still safe. And unfortunately, since the internals are already exposed, we can't do a proper water resistant test. The great news is that the phone is still operational and still working at level 2 drop test. As you can see, there's only the physical dent or the physical side that has been broken or cracked. Now, if you want to do the level 3 and still want me to do a review on this one, comment down below what your thoughts on the 5-star drop resistant premium certification of the Honor X7c. See you guys around and Happy New Year!